Supplementary to the Honourable Minister is that one of the eligibility criteria is that the product or service should be new one or a significantly improved version of existing service or products. And there are a lot of IPs generated by Muslims and minority craftsmen. An IP can be in form of product design patent, product patent or process patent. Whether innovation under craftsmanship and arts can be considered innovative? Are there any plans to earmark a budget or relaxation on trademark and copyright by artists and craftsmen? And as per plans for tax exemptions for craftsmen and related innovation by Muslim and minority youths. There is a part 2 in the question of NMDFC. Is it true, madam, that in the 12th five-year plan, the total allocation made to NMDFC is only 62.9%? Will the government make it 100% before the 12th plan finishes? This is a very pointed question, madam, but I am really shocked that the Honourable Minister had held a constitutional post. You had accepted the question, not she, madam. It is you. Thank you, madam.